friends! I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today's vocal warm-up will be quick but effective. These are excellent to get your singing kick-started when you're short on time. I'll cover a fairly wide range, so feel free to switch octaves as you need to as we go along. It is always worthwhile to take a moment to check in with alignment and breathing. Relax your breath and come into the moment, focusing on the task at hand. Let's start our vocal warm-up with a glide on a lip trill, like Feel free to alternate with another occluded sound like a zh or v if you don't want to stay on the lip trill. Here we go. Moving now to a very efficient key sound, we're going to sing key. That's a slide at the end. Here we go. Key. Sticking with the idea of efficiency, we're going to sing on E-A, like E-A. Use caution to make sure that the jaw and tongue don't get too tight during this fairly assertive exercise. Here we go. E-A. release any tension that has built up. We're going to sing on a relaxed ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, like ho-ah-ee-ah-oh. Here we go. I find that a good round of sirens and glides always gets me ready to sing quickly. Feel free to stick with me or go at your own pace. With a focus on relaxation as we sing on yaw, yaw, yaw. With a nice relaxed throat, we will sing yaw, 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 and descend. Here we go. Hey, if you haven't heard, I wanted to let you know that I've published a mobile app for singers that is full of some of my best vocal warm-up playlists. It's available on the App Store and the Google Play stores. It's commercial free and it has an option for you to save your favorites for offline use. I hope you'll check it out. It's gotten great feedback and it's a wonderful way to support me if you've gotten value from my work. Thanks so much for singing with me. I'll see you next time.